If you have ever seen a chia seed, you probably thought it was nothing special. It is tiny, smaller than a sesame seed, smaller than a grain of rice. It looks unimpressive. But do not let its size fool you. This tiny seed is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. The Aztecs and Mayans knew this centuries ago. Aztec warriors ate chia seeds before battle to boost their energy and endurance. They believed that a small handful could keep you going all day. Then, for hundreds of years, chia seeds were forgotten. Now, they are back, and scientists are discovering that the ancient Aztecs were right. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. They can help you lose weight, lower your cholesterol, regulate your blood sugar, improve your digestion, and protect your heart. In this article, we will explore the shocking health benefits of chia seeds and how you can easily add them to your daily diet. Let us start with the most amazing thing about chia seeds: their ability to absorb water. A single chia seed can absorb up to 12 times its weight in water. When you put chia seeds in liquid, they form a gel-like coating around themselves. This gel is the secret to many of their health benefits. When you eat chia seeds, they expand in your stomach. This expansion makes you feel full and satisfied. You are less likely to snack between meals. You are less likely to overeat at your next meal. This is why chia seeds are so effective for weight loss. Several studies have shown that people who eat chia seeds before a meal consume significantly fewer calories. The gel also slows down the digestion of carbohydrates. Instead of sugar hitting your bloodstream all at once, it is released slowly and steadily. This prevents blood sugar spikes and crashes. For people with type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes, this is a game changer. Stable blood sugar means stable energy, stable mood, and better long-term health. Now, let us talk about fiber. Chia seeds are one of the richest sources of dietary fiber in the world. Just 2 tablespoons contain nearly 11 grams of fiber. That is almost half of the daily recommended intake for adults. Most of this fiber is soluble fiber, which dissolves in water to form that gel we talked about. Soluble fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, stronger immunity, lower inflammation, and even improved mental health. Soluble fiber also binds to cholesterol in your digestive system and carries it out of your body. This helps lower your LDL, or bad cholesterol levels. High LDL cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. By lowering your cholesterol, chia seeds protect your heart. Several studies have confirmed this effect. One study found that chia seeds were even more effective than oat bran at lowering cholesterol. Oat bran is famous for its cholesterol-lowering properties. Chia seeds beat it. Let us move on to omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats that your body cannot produce on its own. You must get them from food. They are crucial for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation throughout your body. Most people think of salmon as the best source of omega-3s, but chia seeds are an excellent plant-based alternative. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain about 5 grams of omega-3s. That is more than a serving of salmon. The type of omega-3 in chia seeds is called AL. Your body can convert AL into the more active forms of omega-3s found in fish. The conversion rate is not perfect, but for vegetarians and vegans, chia seeds are one of the best options available. Eating chia seeds regularly has been shown to reduce markers of inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to almost every modern disease: arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and even cancer. By reducing inflammation, chia seeds help protect you from all of these conditions. Chia seeds are also packed with protein. For a plant food, they have an impressive amount of protein, about 4 grams per 2 tablespoons. But more importantly, chia seeds contain a complete protein. That means they provide all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot make on its own. Most plant proteins are incomplete. You have to combine different foods to get a complete protein. Chia seeds are an exception. This makes them especially valuable for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone trying to reduce their meat consumption. The protein in chia seeds also helps with weight loss. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient. It makes you feel full and reduces cravings. By adding chia seeds to your meals, you naturally eat less without feeling deprived. Let us talk about bone health. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, 3 minerals that are essential for strong bones. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain about 18% of your daily recommended calcium intake. That is more than many dairy products. For people who are lactose intolerant or who do not eat dairy, chia seeds are an excellent alternative source of calcium. Calcium is not just for bones. It is also necessary for muscle function, nerve transmission, and blood clotting. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure, blood sugar, and muscle function. Most people do not get enough magnesium. Adding chia seeds to your diet is an easy way to boost your intake. Phosphorus works with calcium to build strong bones and teeth. Together, these 3 minerals make chia seeds a powerhouse for skeletal health. Chia seeds are also loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm your DNA, your cell membranes, and your proteins. Over time, this damage contributes to aging and disease. Chia seeds contain high levels of antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and quercetin. These antioxidants have been shown to fight inflammation, reduce blood pressure, and even protect against certain types of cancer. The antioxidants in chia seeds also help protect the omega-3 fats from going rancid. That is why chia seeds have a long shelf life. You can store them in your pantry for months or even years without them spoiling. This makes them a convenient and reliable pantry staple. Now, how should you eat chia seeds to get the maximum benefit? The good news is that they are incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. They have a very mild, nutty flavor that goes with almost anything. You do not need to grind them like flax seeds. Your body can digest whole chia seeds easily. Here are some simple ideas. First, make chia pudding. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of your favorite milk. Add a little honey or maple syrup if you like sweetness. Stir well. Then let it sit in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and form a thick, creamy pudding. Top it with fresh berries or nuts for a delicious and healthy breakfast. Second, add chia seeds to smoothies. Throw a tablespoon or 2 into your blender along with your other ingredients. The chia seeds will thicken the smoothie and add a boost of fiber, protein, and omega-3s. Third, sprinkle chia seeds on yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal. They add a pleasant crunch and do not change the flavor. Fourth, use chia seeds as an egg substitute in baking. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it forms a gel. This gel can replace 1 egg in recipes for muffins, pancakes, and cookies. It works beautifully and adds extra nutrition. Finally, you can even add chia seeds to water or juice. Stir them in and let them sit for a few minutes. It is a simple way to get your daily dose. A few words of caution. Chia seeds absorb a lot of water. If you eat them dry, you need to drink plenty of water. Otherwise, they can absorb water from your throat and cause a choking hazard. This is rare, but it has happened. Always mix chia seeds with liquid before eating them. Start with a small amount, 1 tablespoon per day, and gradually increase to 2 or 3 tablespoons. Some people experience digestive discomfort when they first start eating chia seeds because of the high fiber content. This is normal. Your gut needs time to adjust. Drink plenty of water and the discomfort should pass within a few days. If you are taking blood thinners or medication for high blood pressure or diabetes, talk to your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet. But for most people, chia seeds are safe, healthy, and beneficial. In summary, chia seeds are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. They are packed with fiber, protein, omega-3s, antioxidants, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. They can help you lose weight, lower your cholesterol, regulate your blood sugar, improve your digestion, and protect your heart. They are easy to add to your diet and have a mild, pleasant flavor. They are inexpensive, widely available, and have a long shelf life. So the next time you are at the grocery store, pick up a bag of chia seeds. Sprinkle them on your oatmeal, stir them into your yogurt, blend them into your smoothies, or make a delicious chia pudding. Your body will thank you. Your heart will thank you. Your brain will thank you. Chia seeds are small, but they are mighty. They are one of nature's most perfect foods. And now you know why. Eat chia seeds. Feel the difference. Live healthier. That is the shocking truth about this tiny superfood.